last night, but look at Carolina's game last night. They're under control, and all of a sudden you get a break and things change and the momentum can swing.